Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm sorry, I'm trying to have a different intro. So guys, as you know, today I made slime. And I made, oopsies, I dropped it. Oh, now where is it? Oh, found it. So I made this blue slime just now. And then when the slimes got mixed, I just mixed these two. So this is like one of my little backup slimes. So yeah. And yeah, I'm so happy I finally made slime. And I use Elmer's clear glue to make this one. So yeah, and I'm about to demonstrate to you all how these slimes work. So let me just flatten them out and then I'll show you. I'll zoom in on them too because they are really good looking. Oopsies. Zoomed in too much. That's good. I don't know what angle to put my camera. Next slime. Guys, and the slime I like better is this one. It's more glossy and yeah. So I hope you guys like this slime video.